I'm going straight through it.
We're recording.
Oh man,
Ooh, that's not gonna be good.
doesn't smell like
What do you
anything.
mean?
It's gonna burn, or we're gonna get
Oh, do it underneath.
there's
Keep going.
there's a lot of ventilation.
Yeah,
Just
we'll
keep
open
going.
this other window.
You're decapitating it slowly. Oh, cool.
It's wild. It's like caramelizing it.
Yeah.
You can probably still eat it.
Which could.
You want a caramelized peep?
Yeah.
You can eat the caramel.
Make it
That's like,
brown.
you know when you make a creme brulee, it's got
Well,
the
we're
caramel.
going to make creme brulee.
You are?
Felix is going to bring creme brulee and we're going to make
God.
creme
Oh,
brulee.
Felix would. He makes everything.
How did you get
That's his
easy.
blowtorch.
Oh.
This is Felix's?
Yeah.
Oh, now I
It
don't
like
feel
caught
bad.
on fire.
I know, I burnt it up.
Okay.
Blew it out. I don't think it's doing too much.
Do you think it'll go through the glass?
no,
I hope it doesn't crack.
It might. The glass
Yeah.
would crack.
We don't need the glass anymore.
I mean,
I
but
don't
just
want
in
it to
terms of
crack.
splintering and killing someone.
Oh, I'd clean it up.
No, I don't want it to crack with my
I have
hand
over a
underneath
minute.
it
That's
with
what I
hot
mean, like-
glass and